Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Zan Shakil. I am 13 years old and I am from West Midlands region. Hazur, my question is, when a person passes away, is he able to meet up with his parents or loved ones who have also passed away?
Yes, if a person has done good deeds and he is going to paradise, he will see all those loved ones who have gone to paradise. And also at the same time, those loved ones who have done good things and they are in paradise, they will also see him there. But if a person who dies has not done good deeds, then if he has gone to hell, how can he see the person who are those souls who are in paradise? So we should try to do good deeds and follow the footstep of our loved ones who have done good things, so that when we go after death, when our soul goes to heaven or to skies, it should go to the heaven, not in the hell. Right? It all depends on your deeds. Okay?
Ji. Jazakallah for answering my question.
Okay.